Itu আপনাদের কাগজ তো পাইছেন কোনো পোৱা নাই গতিকে বিশেষ শ্বেয়াৰডালে পঢ়িল যে প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী তাত কাৰ্বি আংলং আম্পত 28 টাৰ্নি ধৰি জিতিয়ালম লাচাল দাকিবা আম্পত বেছিকৈ নিশ্চয় ট্ৰেইনিং আৰম্ভ লওক ৱেলকাম লওক অলপ নিলিতো নানাদিনকে 36 years more than 36 years Ladakan Kiman, India Constitution of Party to Purpuria Temple, Autonomous State Pinay, Pukidimana, Dimpilos, Tananata, Pacho, Nelan, La Support, to Nidu Pagano, Face Tala, Lidakava, Kanajo, Ilitunaka, La Rana Dinka, Kamcho, Simatalo, La Sila Sohut, Non Givan Hood, Ilitung Caribana, Kito, and Akay. Kedoan Clear Party, kedoan Social Organization tunta ni siap penasi tunkian aban. Sipaklan dulu na, lapealam ni la solamat konten kacin penlompu sini tu akan. La sinon la press release puri naina. Appeal for unique implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. At the big outset, we welcome Mr. Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, for his August visit to Karbi Anglong Autonomous District of Assam at Loring City on 20 April 2022. On that very day, we are highly hopeful that he will promptly initiate on full implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, which was inserted into the Constitution in 1971. After getting first-hand knowledge regarding our long-standing demand of the Hills tribal people of both the Autonomous Hill District of Assam, the Prime Minister of India, he might be belong to any political party, but he is the highest political authority of India to whom the Parliament is empowering him to implement Article 244A of Indian Constitution. Hence, on such occasion of the visit of the Prime Minister, there should not bring the differentiation of the methods of social and political ideologies of different political parties and social organizations of Karbi Anglong and Dima Khaso Autonomous Hill District of Assam in the name of implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Therefore, we appeal all sections of the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Khaso Autonomous Hill District of Assam, all political parties and all social organizations to attend the public meeting at Loring City in order to demonstrate our long-standing demand to the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, for immediate implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Juthai Kado. Play Karbi Anglong hoilo. Play. Karbi Anglong, chalo ma. Lasanya Purina Kolo, Jakala Sokeman Huraba, ASPC Tunang Bonice. I start Alasa Home Minister to Al-Kahadimapur, a plan pen, Halada Pengen, La Pene, Garden Sivan, Dimapur Bengue, Halafotoa, I come and keep up, do not chat, Dunia, good thing a claim. The event memorandum, if you do not have, Piloma, and non organization bank here to Manke, Autonomous Agency, Pilo Protect, Nitoki Nilo for Pian Legacy. Sita. Apa fitulang laswa Sintamoni Panigrahi nam dek penalai Kongres sudah. Apa NDA government hore bangke step Indian Minister step for home affairs sebutkan saya gewang. There is 1990 kalau nikah lo 9 June 1991. Tak kalah so hore bangke kilometer ngang hore bangke. Nele tungo upos kali nele tungo cijeng dunia. Hadak ya ala dapat filma helipad Assam Rifle towards shooting hasa kirasan SCC tunta dupiklo akola peni tunta dupiklo ne tunga upus ne ate acara